Hello, I'm Tina from College of Charleston Information Technology with a quick tech tip for you today using a keyboard shortcut in Microsoft Excel Office 365. I am using a Windows device, but let's get started. I want to keep things easy, so I've already opened an Excel spreadsheet. I want to type information in cell 25, but have the information be repeated in cells 17 through 25. Use the Control key and select all of the cells in column B 17 through 25. In cell 25, where I have it selected, I'm going to type New Info. Then all you need to do is click Ctrl and Enter at the same time, and your information is in all of those selected cells. Try this shortcut. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.